Start by logging into the cloudDS user portal. Enter your login name and password, then select Login. The portal also supports single sign-on with Google, Apple, or Office 365. If needed, use Forgot Login Name or Forgot Password. After login, the home dashboard gives you quick access to voicemail messages, your active answering rule, active phones, and recent call history. The main menu across the top includes Messages, Fax, Contacts, Answering Rules, Time Frames, Phones, Music on Hold, and Call History. Open Messages to access voicemail. Under the Voicemail tab, you can view new voicemail messages and manage your voicemail inbox. The Chat tab lets users send internal chat messages. Select New Conversation, search for a contact or extension, then start typing a message. The chat window shows the selected user, the message history, and a field to send a new message. In the Messages Settings tab, users can enable voicemail, change inbox options, sort voicemail messages by newest first, announce receive time, announce caller ID, copy messages to another extension, and control voicemail transcription. Users can also enable email alerts when the mailbox is full, send an email after a missed call, choose a voicemail greeting, manage the recorded name, and receive email notifications for new voicemail. Select the greeting controls to open Manage Greetings. A new voicemail greeting can be created by text-to-speech, by uploading an audio file, or by recording a greeting. Type the greeting message, choose the language and voice, preview it, then save the greeting. The Fax section shows fax messages when fax service is enabled. In this example, the user is not subscribed for fax services, and no fax messages are available. The Contacts page lists users and extensions. You can search by name or extension, view numbers and status, add a contact, import contacts, export contacts, or start a chat with a contact. Answering rules control how calls are handled. The default rule rings the user's extension, but users can add rules to forward calls, ring multiple devices, or change routing based on timeframes.
Time frames define when rules apply, such as office hours, after-hour schedules, weekends, or holidays. Choose Add Time Frame, enter a name, then select whether it applies always, on specific days of the week, on specific dates, holidays, or a custom schedule.
For a weekly schedule, select the days that should be active, set the start and end times, choose the recurrence, and save the time frame. When adding an answering rule, choose the time frame it applies to. The rule can enable Do Not Disturb, call screening, call forwarding, simultaneous ring, ringing all phones, or just ringing the user's extension. In this example, the FWD to cell rule forwards calls to a cell number during the selected time frame. Once saved, the rule appears in the answering rules list and shows when it is active. The Phones page shows devices assigned to the user, including the extension, device type, IP address, MAC address, and line information. Users may also activate the advanced soft phone if available. The Music on Hold section lets users manage hold music and hold messages. You can add music files, add an introductory message, or add messages that play while callers are waiting. Remember, this is user-specific, not company-wide. For company, you have to be logged in as manager. The Call History page shows call records for the selected date range. Users can filter results, review blocked numbers, export call history, or confirm when no calls are found. To use the cloudDS web soft phone, open the Apps menu and launch the web phone. The first time the web phone opens, the browser may ask for microphone access. Select Allow so the web soft phone can use your headset or computer microphone for calls. Next, choose which microphone you want to use. Select the correct microphone from the list and confirm that microphone activity is showing before continuing. If browser notifications are disabled, the web phone may show a notification warning. Notifications are recommended so incoming calls and chat alerts can appear even when you are working in another window. The web soft phone opens in a compact phone window. The top area, the current user, the user extension, and the active phone controls. Use the dial pad to place a call. Enter an extension or phone number, then press the call button. Use contacts to search for people in the company directory. Select a contact to view their extension, email address, and available communication options. From a contact card, you can start a phone call, open a chat, or use other available contact actions. In this example, the contact has extension 2001. Use chat and SMS to send messages from the web soft phone. Select New Conversation, choose a user or contact, type your message, and send it from the chat window. Use Call History in the web soft phone to review recent calls. This gives the user quick access to recent inbound and outbound activity from the same phone window. Use Voicemail in the web soft phone to access voicemail-related options when available. This gives the user another way to check messages without leaving the soft phone. Use Call Parks to view or access parked calls when call parking is enabled for the user or organization. Use answering rules inside the web soft phone to quickly review active routing rules, such as the default rule or a forward to cell rule. Use greetings to review voicemail greetings.
A saved greeting can be played back, selected, or managed from the softphone interface. To create a new greeting from the web softphone, select New Greeting, enter a greeting name, then click the record button. Speak the greeting into the microphone, stop the recording, and save it. Use settings to control how the web softphone handles calls. The Make Calls Using option shows which extension is being used for outbound calls. In Settings, confirm the microphone activity, audio output, volume, ringtone output, ringtone, and ring-in notification volume. This is useful when setting up a headset or troubleshooting audio. When finished, use the Logout option in the web softphone menu to sign out of the phone window. The cloudDS web softphone allows users to place calls, answer calls, search contacts, send chat messages, review call history, access voicemail, manage greetings, and adjust audio settings directly from the browser.